Tough lesson to learn. But Pat, we had some storms move through, but things are clear now, right?
Yeah,
Clear-ish?
things are starting to calm down big time across the area. But we had some really impressive wind gusts with this line of storms. This is unbelievable.
Yeah, looking at it outside, it was wow.
Oh my! So our studio is ground floor here in the Galleria in Westheimer, and the rain. We had to put towels near the door because the rain was coming in. That's how hard it was raining here. It was unbelievable. Look at the wind gust though. Texas City, almost a 70-mile-per-hour gust, 69 miles per hour. West Columbia, 68 miles per hour. Sugar Land, 67 miles per hour. So these wind speeds were really impressive here as these storms kind of raced through the area. They really rocked us. 59 mile per hour gust for Liverpool and Brazoria and Jamaica Beach, and almost a 45 mile per hour gust. So again, some really impressive numbers for us this evening. Not just wind gusts, but also rainfall, and we really desperately need the rain. And we got a really good hit of rain across the area. 1.1 inches in Conroe, 1.3 for Willis, almost an inch and a half in the Woodlands. An inch even for Porter Heights and Cold Spring, getting you within the city. We had almost an inch for Hunters Creek Village, Montrose, Hawthorne Place, Magnolia Park, Golf Crest. We actually made it to the inch mark for Pasadena and Hobby. Same for Jersey Village. So this is not drought-busting rain, but it's much, much, much needed rain, and that I'm really happy we were able to get